The Essex County Medical Society presents its 171st president for 2009, Dr. Barry Prystowsky, a leader in organized medicine for over 20 years and the spokesperson on children's health for the Medical Society of New Jersey. A prolific writer of resolutions to the State House of Delegates Convention for reform of appeals on denials of benefits, the closure of pediatric beds, access to physicians for the poor and disabled, the stockpiling of vaccines, safe medicines, and home health care insurance.
Congratulations, Dr. Prystowsky. On behalf of myself and Essex County Executive Joe DiVincenzo, I'm being named president of this organization. We have a little concern, though. You're known throughout the state of New Jersey for getting people prepared for disasters. We walked into your office, we looked at your display cabinet, and we saw materials and supplies from the 1970s. We don't want to be stuck anywhere if that's all you have to offer. Congratulations, Dr. Prystowsky.
And so I met Barry when he was a first-year resident, and he completed his 3 years of residency there. And Barry was in many ways like his father, both in terms of his demeanor and his ability to be calm and patient. So very early on, after he finished his residency, he started to become involved in medical societies and going up to Trenton, serving on committees, looking in any way that he could to try and help advance the work that his father had started. So when you talk about having big shoes to have to fill, I think Barry's done a very good job into carrying the mantle that his father started and trying to advocate for kids within the state.
3 generations of doctors. His son Brian is starting his pediatric practice this year. Son Jeff, shown here with his band Low Anthem, has provided the music for this tape and for the documentary movie on the Essex County Medical Society. Jeff is currently touring with his band for None Such Records, a subsidiary of Warner Brothers Records. Daughter Alicia, a first-team All-State catcher, wears 4 state championship rings and is now a first-team All-Ivy League catcher for the University of Pennsylvania. An All-American in 2008, she became the first youth athlete inducted into the JCC Sports Hall of Fame. Carrying on the family tradition of service to the community, Barry is a leader in community medicine. In the past, Barry has made frequent television appearances on America's Talking, a morning family talk show, and more recently with Sarah Lee Kessler on the New Jersey Network. You can still see and hear him on the radio and in newspapers as a spokesperson for the Medical Society of New Jersey.
Yeah, I've known Barry for a long time. He rotated at Beth Israel as a medical student, and actually we got him involved in doing a little bit of a research project. I'm not sure Barry ever finished that project. He probably still owes me the data or the write-up of that paper. But it was fun, and he was one of the very few medical students that actually have ever gotten involved in doing one of these little research projects with us.
The most rewarding experience that I had in all the years that I've been in this field was getting to know Dr. Barry Prystowsky. To say that he is remarkable, that doesn't even cover it. To say that he is beloved by every child and every parent whose lives he's touched would be an understatement. I get excited when I see Barry. I get excited every time I get to be with him or work on a project with him, because he is the epitome of what I consider not only medicine to be, but he's the epitome of humanity.
The Essex County Medical Society presents its 171st president for 2009, Dr. Barry Prystowsky.